Now, let's put some letters together to see if we can make those rhymes. You ready? You know that ooh, there's two of us sound. That's two O's. Ooh. And then the L on the end. Ooh. Hey, remember when we used to write cool every day? Or on cool days when we were doing the weather wheel. Well, now let's make the word school. School has some letters that you don't, well, one letter that you don't hear. But I know you know the beginning. School. What sound is that? It's an S. There's the S. And then sk. K. It's a C. It could be a K too, right? And then there's the letter that you cannot even hear. It's an H. There's school. But all of the other rhymes are going to have an O and an O and an L. Because when we rhyme, the ending is the same, only the beginning changes. So let's turn this one into cool. School, cool. You know, it's a C. There's the new word, cool. Hey, let's put an F on the front. What will it turn into? The hook, straight line down, little line across the middle. Fool, fool, like April Fool. School, cool, fool. How about a P? Let's put a P on the front of this one. Big line down, and then come up and make a curve. Pool, pool, school, cool, fool, pool. Oh my goodness, they all have the two O's and the L. Two O's and an L. Hey, let's put a T on the front now. Big line down, little line across, and let's see what that one is. Tool, tool. What tool do you use to pound a nail in? Tool. School, cool, fool, pool, tool. And now let's write what babies do. Drool. Oh, that's a tricky one. D. It's a D. Little circle, big line, steady hand. Drrr. An R comes next. Ooh, that's such a first grade combination. Drool, drool. Let's go back and read them all. Here we go. School, cool, fool, pool, tool, and drool. And those are our rhymes for today.